Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Prime Umar, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use auto trace feature in SolidWorks. Basically how to trace pictures in SolidWorks. So let's go to SolidWorks and let's learn this. So here you can see that I'm using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, as usual, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, that is millimeters gram second. So let's go to here, front plane, sketch, and here I will insert my picture. So go to here, tools, and then sketch tools, and here you will find this option, sketch picture. So select this option and I will use this logo, this iPhone logo for this particular tutorial, and select open. So here you can see we have different options. We can change this we can change its direction in X, for example 40 units, and we can change its direction in Y, for example 100 units, and we can change its angle as well, like 45. So and we can change the width of the picture, and we can change its height as well. But for this tutorial we will keep all the default settings as it is. So let's change it to 0 degree and let's change it to default position. And here you can see we don't have any auto trace option. So first I will select OK, and then I will go to this option, add-ins, and here you will see the auto trace options in SolidWorks add-ins. And as far as I remember, this auto trace option is included from SolidWorks 2014 to onwards. Okay, I'm using SolidWorks 2020, but let's say if you are using SolidWorks 2013, so auto trace option is not available. So select this one and OK. And now I will double click this picture, and here you can see this option is appeared. So I will select next, and here you can see we have different options, like we can select a triangle, and we can select a freehand sketch like this, but that's not perfect. And here we can select polygonal areas as well, like this. For example, I will draw one line here and then one line here and like this. Okay. But the most easiest option for these kinds of logos and pictures is this one, use the color difference. So I will select this option, and I have to draw this part first, and then I will draw this part. So I will select somewhere here and select this option, begin trace. Okay. Now you can see it has given me a very rough sketch, but we can control it by using these adjustments or controls. So you can increase the brightness of the picture, and here you can see the changes in the sketch. And now I will adjust it. Let's say I'm satisfied with this adjustment, and I will select apply. Okay. Now I will draw the same for this leaf. So double click it, go to this option next, and then select this option, use to select color, and I will select somewhere here, and it will give me a sketch based on color difference, white and black. Select begin trace, and now I will adjust it. I think that's okay. Select apply, and I will suppress this picture. Now you have your final sketch. You can edit this sketch as well. Just right click and select this option, edit sketch, and here you can adjust your sketch as well. You can delete it, you can use some relations, but for this tutorial I think it's okay. I will go to here, features, extruded boss, and I will extrude it from mid plane 10 millimeter, or maybe I will change it to 20, and select OK. I will apply some color to this geometry. Let's say I will apply this color, or maybe white color, and select OK. So that's how you can use auto trace option in SolidWorks while you are sketching pictures, and this is the most powerful tool when you are dealing with sketching pictures in SolidWorks. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics like engineering drawing, FEA, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.